Hey friends, if you wish to fix video TDR failure error on your Windows 11 computer with the file mentioned nvlddmkm sys, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is Windows Update. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on Check for Updates in the right pane. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The last solution is to simply reset Windows because it's a very serious error. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side and select Recovery in the right pane. Select Reset, click Remove Everything, wait for it to load. Finally, select Cloud Download and click on Next to initiate the process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.